Okay, so I'm just going to make a quick little discussion video here based on a comment on one of my videos disassembling the haptics. I realized that I never talked about one of the reasons that you may need to do that besides just taking the trigger off. So, if the gear ends up getting misaligned, what can happen is it can click a lot. Like when you start up the game, it'll just start click, like the haptic will start clicking and it won't work properly. I know I've mentioned that the gear needs to be properly aligned to work properly, but if you have a controller that is doing that, the gear may have gotten misaligned in there. So I have videos on disassembling the haptics for all models of PS5 controllers right now. So if that's an issue that you're running into and you found this video, you can go watch those videos and learn how to take apart the haptic on whichever model controller you have and align the gear properly so your haptics will work. But generally, you want it to go up flush with the trigger so you can push it down easy. So, I hope this helps you, or I hope this helps you find the information that you need, I guess, to fix your controller. And stay tuned for more repair videos.